Get ready.
Oh. Teď losing my on. We on? We on or we not on? We ain't ready. Zoshi? Was het set? Nee, dat is net set. Dat is dus kom doen. Ai. This ain't Tetris, boy. This ain't Tetris. Let me see what you got. No. No. Gishwin. Gishwin. What's up, stream? What's up, people? Oh, shit. Eh? Yeah. We hear you, baby.
Yo, what up? Time to jam some wins.
Yeah, let's jam some wins.
So, are we set?
Yeah, we ready. They ready.
You can start. Yoshi kan toevanken, nou. They can toevanken.
Let's begin. Let me see some jamming.
What do we got? What do we got?
Oh, we got my man. We got Jordi.
Already against Energia. We got my man.
Ah, man.
My man against yours?
Again, no Portuguese.
Get ready.
Because no game has Portuguese people.
Well, Spain is practically.
Yeah, shut the fuck up. Anyway.
So we got.
They're playing it nice and slow right now.
Yeah, well.
They're taking their sweet ass time.
Oh, there it is. The first.
Hey.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, we ain't got no sound, huh? Hey. Oh my god. I was about to say they might run out the clock and no points.
Not today. Okay.
Oh, okay, Yoshi, I see you, baby. Let me stop talking all that shit. Look at that. Hey. One more and it's done. Oh, and they closed that. Ooh, that was a nice shot. We ain't got sound though. Is that normal? Oh.
Yeah,
That's nice. Hey, oh, he still caught it. Yo, this man. Reactions. That's the Tetris reactions. Yeah, the local Tetris expert. Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I tell you, but the reality is I don't know. Aye!
Nice.
5-pointer. Those hurt. You don't want to get hit by those. Nice catch you. Oh, he didn't catch that one. Too slap.
There it is.
Ooh, I like that. The schmicks up.
Those are always three.
Yeah. Yes.
Battle 3, yes. It's battle
Yes,
3.
2 out of 3. Always. Loser has. Okay.
The loser can switch, but the winner stays.
Get ready.
Is it this one?
Yeah, that's so. 104.
Oh, immediately. Immediately. He did not wait. Oh, nice block. He could have gotten the super, but could have. Oh, the shots. They go. Oh, no one's blocking. Everyone's catching with their face. Right into the cinco puntos.
The wall.
The cinco.
It's like the best friend.
We hit him in the back of the head. He said, "Oh,
Nice. Lob.
that's a nice 2. We'll take 2 points." 8. And Yoshi's so focused. Frankie. Alright. 8-8. Oh my, that How was that not 5 points?
Well, you have to tell.
How was that not 5
Windjammers
points?
guards.
I cannot believe.
Yeah, 14 to 8.
Yo, Yoshi's looking kind of.
Yoshi's playing solid, man.
He's looking
He's
kind of
our
good.
retro. He's our retro expert, so he must know how.
He has an arcade machine with this game on it, so
So he knows what he's doing.
I'd be surprised if he didn't know. I'd be mad surprised.
Frankie.
Block this one. Oh, nope.
Oh, and then a 5 point.
And right into the cinco.
Come on, Italy. Oh,
Nope.
and right as I say.
New. Yeah, your commentator's cursing.
Right.
Any
This
point
goes
will do
back
it.
at
Any
you.
point will do it. Anything will do it.
Right.
Oh, right back at you, baby.
It's right here.
Okay, Yoshi holding on. Oh, nice catch. No blocking. Oh, nice block. Oh, but he didn't catch it. Wow, that was clean. That was a clean match.
It's 2-0 for Yoshi. Yeah. Yoshi. Den Mike muszę czuć. No problem.
2-0 for Yoshi. Yeah, he's starting off strong.
Yo.
Yoshi's starting off
Yoshi.
strong. But it's not fair. He has an arcade machine.
Oh, yeah.
He has an arcade at home, and he
But
has
also-
Windjammers on it.
But you also have to say that Frankie is not out. Not yet.
No, it's double limb. It's all good.
I hope he knows that.
Well, someone will remind him, I hope. Because otherwise, you done messed it. The game is right here. Yeah,
Some technical difficulties.
yeah, we got technical sound issues.
Well, last time we checked.
For station 1, Kevin Free versus Super Lady.
Kevin is
Super
free.
Lady come back. Kevin Free versus Super Lady for the Windjammers Tournament. Station 1, yes. And we also need the boy Bruising and Kiba Omega Wolf.
Who?
Kiba Omega Wolf.
Kiba Omega Wolf. You are Kiba Omega Wolf. Station 2. Where's the boy Bruising?
Yeah, I know who it is.
Alright.
And the names.
Oh, shout out to this background.
No way. Okay, wife, you know how.
Yeah, that background is looking.
You know I rock that shit.
He's looking clean. Me gusta. Uh-oh. Our technician is messing with something. And he's shaking his head. He is not happy right now.
Well, last time we tested it, it was okay.
I mean, that was when you tested it.
Yeah.
But now that it's supposed to work,
always
it's not going to work. It's always like that. Don't you know? Dun, dun, finger guns. Oh, he wants to play some Tekken? We still don't have sound. Or do you? Nope. He's shaking his head again.
So we have no sound.
Nope. They got
Stream has sound.
stream has sound, but the players don't got sound.
The players don't have sound.
Players have sound, just
Then what's the problem?
audience doesn't have.
Oh, the audience doesn't have sound. But it was working a minute ago. What the fuck happened?
I know.
I was hearing this.
Hey yo, what happened?
Just this, this.
I mean, you're fucking with the volume.
Yes. Because when we talk, nobody can hear you talking over there.
Oh, I see. I mean, there's mad people. That probably don't help.
Yeah. Okay. So
Roberto.
no, Roberto for first. Roberto first.
Who is he
Can you
playing?
hear us? Rad
And
We need to play
Reanimator.
Rad. And the boy Vic on stream.
Reanimator, please. Yo, Reanimator and Roberto. A.K.A. Rad. God damn, I'm loud as hell.
Ah, there they are.
Vic, another one of those old school players. Fan of the old games. Oh, there he is! Sit your ass down! I'm trying to see some Windjammers. What's good?
Not deep. Left side player. Reanimator is left.
Reanimator. Can I just... Oh,
No, I can't.
that's the score, baby.
Oh, okay, cool.
That is
Fucking
the
up.
score. Oh, hold on. I hear music. And then we got... Rad. What is it, 88? Like that?
Or just to run.
No more
This is the
88?
smash count. Let's make it quick zero.
Yeah, quick zero.
Everything alright with the sound now?
Alright.
So
Alright.
what's the problem? Still?
Audience got new music. Anyway, I already know who. Of course, Rod is picking Italiano.
No.
Oh, we got a mirror. I mean, it's no surprise.
He's Italian too.
It's no surprise. Fucking Italians.
Come on. So
They
who's
picked
who?
the Italian.
On the right side we have Ron. And left side we have Reanimator.
Yeah, that's his brother, by the way. Rod. Ooh.
So you know, I'm a bit biased. I always say that.
Yeah, biased as hell.
I
It's all
gotta
good.
be. I gotta be.
The catches. Uh-oh. Does he know how to block this? Nope. Catch that quick 5.
Starting very strong with 8. 11 to 0 now. 1 point away for winning
Whoa.
the first round. And there it is. Verticale.
Yeah, verticale.
Quick 14-0.
You didn't catch that one. Ooh, shots. Shots. Oh my god. Yo, he is always aiming for that 5.
Okay, that was kind of close.
Oh, he tried to... He tried to fake him out. He tried to fake him out. It didn't work. It didn't work. Okay. Takes his sweetest time to catch it, but he catches it. Nice. Back and forth. Oh, super. Do you know how to block it? Nope. No blocks. If he hits another 5, it's done. If he hits another 5, it's done. Okay. Reanimator's still alive. You better reanimate right now.
Even a small drop can now trick. There it is. 14.
Oh, he hits him with that fuego.
Pretty convincing now. Yeah, now we're here, right?
Yeah, we got music.
Klokkencontact.
It's just very faint.
Get ready.
Dus ik ga door dit klokkencontact.
Here comes the serve. That's the classic opening. Oh my god. Yo, my man is getting hit with all the 5s. Ooh! Yo, the curve shots. Don't fake out.
There it is.
That's the fake out. Block. Oh, now you catch him with a face.
Oh, there it is. Diagonal.
Yeah, straight for the tres.
There it
Block
is.
this.
Rotante.
Nope.
That was a super rotante.
It was a rotante.
Rodante.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What a by rock.
Oh my god. Yo! Back and forth.
Damn.
Yo, wow, he still caught that?
My boy got reactions except against the Germans. Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Yo,
I mean, it's true.
I was the only one who won five.
It's not a lie.
No.
Yo, my man was about to stand up. What are you standing up for? Okay, let me see it. Wow, right past ya. Was hugging the net.
One point. And still at 0.
Yeah, this reanimator is looking kind of dead. He is not reanimating right now.
Oh, there
There you go. Oh, just as I said.
Commentator's curse.
Commentator's curse.
Commentator reanimated the reanimator.
Or his luck.
Oh, there it is. Come on.
Oof.
It was sandbagging all along.
Yeah, it was sandbag. That's what it was. He's learning the matchup. Download complete?
Yo.
Download complete?
What?
It's done?
What is my brother doing?
He's getting kind of whooped. Because that was his game. Hey, ooh!
And he wanted to stand up? He wanted to stand
Yeah.
up? He already gave up?
Reanimator gave up. He wanted to stand up. But
It's not over till it's over.
it's not over till it's over. Ooh, okay. That does kind of hurt. That
But still, he had a comeback first time.
kind of hurt in the culo. Look at the blocks. Look at the swishes. Oh my god. Another one of those and it's done.
Another one. Right back. Ooh, okay, he didn't catch it.
No, he was charging, I think. I think. Block? Yeah. Oh, that's not enough time for the super.
Ooh, now he...
Straight for the cinco. Uh-oh. Does he, yo, he should know how to block those.
He should.
He blocks those all day.
And just like that, we have the...
All of a sudden, it is 1-1 out of nowhere. Oh, they're discussing.
Ooh.
They're discussing.
Wants to change.
Pick bumpers. Pick bumpers. Bumpers is fair. Oh, he's going random?
No, he's going clay.
Oh, Clay.
He wants
Yeah,
the
pick bumpers.
He wants the bump.
I want to see bumpers.
Bumperino.
Forza! Oh my god, everybody has seizures, don't look at this.
Get ready.
Alright, sir. But now we got bumpers, now it's done. Wow, that didn't hit any of them. Ooh, the bumpers, it's fair. Hey. See? You think it's gonna hit it, but then it doesn't. What did you hit? Oh wow, nice catch. Ooh, did you see that bumperino?
That was some bumper stuff. Now let's get that.
It went straight, but he didn't know
That
that.
was tricky. That was tricky. Bumpers decide now who wins.
Yeah, bumpers is fair. It's 50-50.
No bumpers.
Bumpers don't care about your feelings. Energia! Oh my god, he went straight for it.
Again, Rod with the lead, but you know the comeback.
Yeah, we saw what happened last time. He had a solid lead and then he threw it away. Just like that frisbee. Hey. Catch it?
The slight touch.
It was just like think.
Listen to the light.
Oh, I like that. Build some space. Give me espacio. Ooh, that was a 5?
That was of course.
That was not a 5.
Of course it was.
That did not look like a 5.
But what a throw. Oh, he didn't catch it. He didn't catch.
Yo, hold on. Is Reanimator gonna take this all back?
Goes for the verticales.
Oh, he had enough time for super? Where is it going? No one knows. Nice catch. Ooh, with the rainbow throw. Yo, I thought that was gonna bump. Oh my goodness! Bumpers is fair. It really is. Hey. Oh, yo, the comeback!
1-1. So,
Yo, what is happening?
Get ready.
Yo, this man Reanimator never gives up.
Do I have to play?
Nice catch it.
I think I have to go play.
Oh, you go play, man. You go play.
Yeah.
Ah, he didn't catch it.
Well, I hope my brother wins. Okay, I'll be right back.
Oh, bias as hell. I can relate. Yo, back and forth. Yo, look at this back and forth. Yo, bumpers. Bumpers is fair. Catch this one. But you did. Energia!
Right,
substitute
commentator.
Yeah. We got Mike. Oh, with the pause tech? With the pause tech? Yo, shout out to the pause tech. Oh, they're playing it out, I guess. Oh, nice. Bumpers
Oh, that was a dirty one.
Yeah. Should have used that pause tech.
Bumper-chan has spoken.
Bumper Chan. Hey.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, it's always so scary. You don't know if it's gonna hit it or not. Hey, it went in a zigzag. Oh, that's it. That's it. Wow. Yo, Reanimator. Yo, what's good?
Close one as well.
And he thought he lost. No, he brought it all the way back.
2-1, that comeback. From all the way back.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not the TO. Why are you looking at me?
There's nothing in the rules about pause. You gotta check your pause rules.
Or maybe you be a man and you take that shit. I mean, you lost anyway, so it doesn't even matter.
I can tell the setups don't have input lag because we checked for that.
No, they can't have input lag because you pause it.
Yeah.
So you got time to, you know, redirect.
As far as I know, there is no mention about pause in the rules.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything, so I mean, you know, and they decided to play it out.
Obvious abuse of it will, however.
They decided to play it out, so
Well, let's see.
that's
Next
on them.
stream,
That's on them.
looks like it's gonna be Chris versus Adrian.
Chris, who's Chris?
Chris is Kaidoran.
Is it
I think so.
Chris Vanek? Chris Vanek. Where Chris Vanek be?
Yeah, there he comes.
And Adrian! Yo, that's my boy, yo, Adrian! Adrian, move your top class suit and have an ass up on the stage. Yo, look at Adrian. Look how he came dressed to the fucking gaming cafe. He looks like he's going to a goddamn gala or something. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Look how he's dressed. Every girl crazy for a short dress.
Unfortunately, we don't have cameras
I
yet.
mean, y'all can pick a side. Yeah, that's why I'm describing it to the stream.
So, Chris will be on the left.
So that, okay. Oh shit, that's the scores. That's the scars. Oh, we got some reverb. And on the right side, we got Adrian. Please.
Show us some Windjammers.
Yeah, that's his first time on stage. First time in a long time playing in a tournament. It's been a hot minute since he played.
Alright, I have to play myself now. So,
Yeah, go ahead.
substitution.
Substitution. Let's see who's gonna join me next. Profile should be all the same. Oh, Adrian going with Miller. S. Miller. Oh, it's gonna be Berto joining or what? Oh, good shit. Substitute one Italian with another. One Spain with another. Sub Italiano with another. That's good. Damn right, that's all I wanted to hear. That is all I wanted to hear.
Who do you got? We got Chris.
We got Japan versus UK. Oh, wait a minute.
aka King Rand. And okay.
What's
Still not going once.
Something's happening? What is happening? What happened?
They're arguing.
I think something with the profiles, maybe? I don't know. What happened? Oh, the users. But they both, what?
That's the wrong profile though.
Is that the wrong profile? It's okay, don't worry about it.
Look again.
Ah,
Versus random,
yeah,
99
we got random select.
199 seconds, 5 points. They on stage.
Yeah, classic. Classic.
Yeah. It'll be me time.
Yeah, we're gonna have both speed characters? Yeah.
Speed characters?
Yeah, speed characters.
On stadium?
Yeah.
Good choice actually.
Yo, I want those shades.
Get ready.
I want those shades. Red heart shades? With a quick 3 points. See? Speed characters, of course, they ain't got a lot of power, but they fast.
It's a really tricky, like,
the counter.
Nice block from the north.
North. Nice catchy. Not a nice catchy.
How was that 5 points?
It wasn't. That's the thing. It was not 5. It was 3. It should have been 5, but it was 3. Here we go. Yeah, his super is kind of ass.
Super is kind of ass. So
His super is kind of
He
ass.
should actually go for the spinnies.
I don't know if he knows how to do spinnies. It's been a hot minute since he played.
Okay.
Alright.
Slide.
First round goes to Chris Vanek.
Yeah. Very calmly. Taking those 12 points.
Oh, I like that option. Wow. They fight. They fight.
The slap. Nice. Wide corner.
Oh, Adrian. You done good. She said something about something. Oh, you didn't catch?
Oh, he dropped. Don't drop so.
Because now you gotta pick it up. Wow, how did he still catch that?
It's Miller, man.
It's Miller. Oh, nice time. Yo, they catch some. Ooh! Le counter. Yo, how is he catching those? Yeah, catch that one.
Nice.
Quick shots.
Perfect.
Yeah, frame perfection.
Let's see, Adrian's climbing up.
Yup, Adrian fighting back.
We got 30 seconds.
Here we go. Ooh! Yeah, that's a good option because his super is really ass.
Yeah.
His super is super predictable.
I would say go for the loops.
Yeah, the spinnies or the verticale. But his super is really trash.
In contrast to Mita, was actually very good. Super.
Yeah, she actually has a good super. But Miller, I think, has the worst super in the game.
Yeah. Because it only goes to the one.
Because, yeah, there's not a whole lot to guess.
Oh, that was nice read from Svanik.
Because Adrian was hugging the net. And that's super dangerous.
Nice catch goal from that again.
Uh-oh. And if you can't tell, on this stage, every time you score, your 5-point field gets bigger and bigger. Nice catchy. Ooh, right back at you! Oh,
Nice.
No 5 though.
Right back at you.
No 5.
I didn't get the 5 though.
Yeah, now the 5-point is back to normal. Ooh, in the back of the head!
Nice. Ooh, 9-9.
Yo, this is a close one. This is a butt clencher.
Next goal wins.
There it is! Oh, now he hits the 5. Now he hits the 5. Now when he doesn't need it.
So Adrian from the north.
Yeah. He lives like 7 minutes away from me.
See. It's actually a south versus north match.
This is a South versus North. That's how I like to see. People from everywhere.
I also got people from really everywhere. We got Berlin from Portugal.
Yeah.
Came from Portugal to visit the GamingCafé.
Oh my gosh.
Shoutouts.
Look! It's international. Oh, but now Adrian's gonna learn the bumpers.
Pray to the bumpers because the bumpers decide.
Nah, don't pray to the bumpers. They don't answer.
The
The bumpers don't listen to anyone.
They didn't answer me.
Yeah, they don't listen to anyone.
Me over.
The bumpers do not want to be worshipped. They want to be left alone.
Nice catch.
Right back at you.
Svanik slowly building up some advantage.
Yo, that bumper fake out. Oh my god, that was a supersonic too.
Still caught it.
But Adrian's fighting back. Adrian's not giving up.
Still alive.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow.
9 like that.
How was that not a 5? Oh, there it is.
There's a
Speaking
5.
of,
Commentator's curse.
the big 5. For some it's a curse, for some it's a blessing. Depends on how you look at
It's
it.
a blessing. Wait, it's a curse.
Yup.
For us.
No bumps. There's the bumps. We is hugging. Here we go. Oh my god, he wasted that super.
Oh, the bumpers though.
Oh, right back at you. Oh, he,
Nice sweet from Chris.
Yeah.
He knew he would go for
they loop.
the
Oh, he's always going for that same corner too.
Oh,
Oh, the Mies.
so.
And now you gotta pick it up.
5-0. Svanik.
Oh, Chris looking super solid now.
8-0.
Kind of running away with it. Oh, catch it!
Oh,
No, not this time.
That was tricky.
Oh, one more of those. Oh, okay, Adrian showing signs of life. That's good. This next shot. Oh, bumper. The bumper.
And Adrian still alive, still climbing up.
Bumper does not forgive. It does not forget. Wow, how did you catch that?
Hey.
Hey. I like that lob. Oh my god, get
Eat
pressed.
that 5 points. Eat that 5 points.
Get pressed. Nice 1-1.
Well, evenly matched, that's great.
Yeah, I like that. No blowouts.
What does Adrian want to do now? Does he want to change the stage?
Now he goes straight for the revenge.
Rematch.
I kind of agree. I mean, Bumpers is, you know,
Next up,
yeah, and Bumpers is fair. Bumpers has no feelings. Oh, why he didn't block it? He didn't catch it? He got pressed? Oh, wow.
That's to the 5.
Yeah, that hurts. That shit hurts.
Wow, the fake. He's the bumpers.
Go bumper shot.
Bamper champ.
Wow, nice catch.
Nice ball.
That was actually a good catch. I can't even front.
Charged it.
Can't block this.
Le corner on out.
And it's enough for
Yeah, it was just enough.
big match, yeah.
Get him to 13.
So match point for Windjammers.
Chris.
Yeah, you're not catching those.
Bumper? Oh, Bumper? Oh my god, yo, Bumper.
Adrian, answer to the 5.
Bumper giveth, and Bumper taketh away.
How was that 3 points?
Because the game says so. That's the only reason.
Nice catch.
Ooh, okay, I like that.
Always near the net.
Yeah, he likes to hug the net. Ooh, yo, that kind of
Big 5 points. Next point.
Yeah, he cannot. I was about to say, he cannot allow
That's it.
any more mistakes.
That's it. Chris Vanek
Chris Vanek takes it, 2-1.
takes. Very, very well played from Adrian.
Yeah, I mean, he hasn't played in a minute, you know. Yeah, it's over. 2-1. Yes, 2-1 for Chris Vanek.
Dun, dun, dun.
Alright, we're gonna get the next match. It's okay, bro, you played.
They have no sweet match.
Bumpers giveth, and Bumpers taketh away.
Supersonico versus Alex Sane, my brother.
Yeah, Supersonico and Alex Sane.
On stream.
On stream,
On
please.
stage.
On stream.
Is het dan op? Is het dan op? Dat is een doorzetter.
Dun, dun, dun.
Blijf maar, weet je?
I don't see the players. Where are the players at?
Aan het one wobble.
Alex Sane, please.
Dat is maar wat ik wil doen.
Alex Sane and Supersonico on stage. Alex Sane, where you at?
Spoever.
Alex Sane and Supersonico.
En Mikami's doing this.
What does that mean? What does it mean?
They're coming. Yeah, they're coming.
Yeah, for Supersonic, he's walking kind of slow. Oh, that's him?
Yeah, that's
Oh, that's Reanimator's brother.
Yeah. So we got.
Get your ass up here, son.
He's actually my brother, so it's actually a reenaction of the match of before.
Oh, really?
It's like brother versus brother. Now it's
Yeah, we got brothers versus bros.
And I hope.
And they're all Italian too.
All Italian.
What the hell?
Weet? Als je maar tering speelt, is het
Dun, 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 dun.
So who's on player one side? So I think
That would be your
Alex
brother,
Sane.
I believe. On the left side. Shit.
Alex Sane. Do a big A though.
Yeah, that's what I wanted, but
Big A, because she's a big boy.
you're a big boy.
And Suzu Supersonic.
What is super?
No. Not Supersonic. Suzu, like ZU.
Like that?
Yeah, then underscore. Supersonic.
What kind of fucking name is that?
Supersonico. De loop als bij Drake of bij Chris. Drake of bij Chris.
Well, he's asking some questions about the controls.
I shouldn't help him though because he's
Are we gonna see another Italian mirror match?
Probably because
Probably?
I know Alexei plays Biaggi.
Yeah, I mean, I know your brother plays Biaggi.
Alessandro.
Yeah, that's the one.
Thank you.
Yup.
And we got Forza.
Yeah, of course.
Forza. Formaggio di Norcia.
Tastes good.
Get ready.
Oh, I like this field.
Oh, how's the stage called? Like lane, something? Lawn?
Sonic with the purple.
We blocks.
Alexander in the red. It's a tiny ass field too.
We got 5 points on in the middle. So
Yeah, right in the middle.
It's a little bit difficult, more difficult to
Ooh, with that counter.
counter.
Oh, charge it up. He knows how to block. Oh, come on, son. I thought you were on how to block those.
Don't you think though?
Yeah, he blocked with his face. That's not how you do it. All right, evens it up.
Pretty even.
Nice catching. Energy up. Well, he goes for the regular super. Tries to mix it up. His super's not bad though.
5
Big
points.
His super's okay. It's not the worst. It's not Miller.
Those supers from nice block. He blocks those.
Yo, Supersonico, he is earning his name right now.
I think that Biaggi supers are great when they have bumpers.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's why I
Because
just
they change directions all the time. Because it goes in a circle.
shit.
Supersonic was looking so strong. Yo, Alex thing was good. Yo, get this man for next GamingCafé against Germany. He was good.
Well, we will.
Energy charge it up. Right back at you.
It was nice with the speedy.
That's what I like. Yeah, that was just, yeah. They dashed at the wrong time. Ooh, straight. Yo, they equal again.
Again, 6-6. Whoa. How did you catch
That, that was a very late catch. Not this time, not this time. Not this time. My goodness. He said die! Die! He said die! Oh my god, he catches those so late. Energy up. Doing the Dragon Ball pose too.
Oh, he catching those. He catching those.
Yo, Supersonic hit his leg.
Yeah.
He was like, fuck.
Really bad. But Alexei knows how to play Windjammers.
Yeah, he does know how to play Windjammers. He actually does know how to play this. Unlike me. Oh, catch! Nice. No one's blocking nothing. Ooh, big 5. 5 across the ass. Oh my goodness. What is he doing? Does he not know the block was?
Glasses, I'm not.
Does he not know his own
That
matchup?
was nice.
Alright, Alexei was just signs of life. That's what I want to see. Don't get blown out. Oh, the fake out. Oh, it didn't work. Didn't work. He said, hey!
And Alexei,
Alright.
slowly crawling back.
Yup. Oh, just as you say that, hold that right in the culo. So that's
I should have shut my mouth.
yeah. If you said nothing, you would have caught that. You know that's how it is.
I know.
Uh-oh, Clay.
Oh, he's going with Clay or with the other one?
Yo,
Clay.
everybody goes for bumpers when they get the stage select.
Oh, I mean, they're entertaining, they're fun.
Yeah, and it's always Clay. Cause bumpers is fair.
Bumpers is life.
Uh-oh. Yeah, watch out with those dashes. Too many dashes will cost you.
Ooh, and now
Get
bumpers.
faked.
Favoriting. Oh, Alexei did this one.
Oh, can he catch that? Oh yeah.
Ooh, straight.
Sometimes the frisbee like lands on the net. Energy up! Oh, watch out!
Ooh,
Yeah,
you
bumpers.
See the bumpers.
Bumper channel.
Combination with the vertical. Vortice, is it?
Vortice. Oh, Lemis. I mean, that's 2 points.
2 points.
It's not too bad.
But the head up.
You gotta bend down and pick it up. Oh, where is it going?
Wow,
what a counter!
Right in the 5.
Supersonico. Wait! Yo, I have never seen it hit the bumper twice like that.
Ooh,
No catch.
Block the second one.
You gotta catch with your hands, not with your face, son.
Oh, nice catch.
Uh-oh. Bumper! Oh my goodness!
He blocked it.
Oh my goodness! Yo, how are they still catching those? Where's it going?
Nice. And the first match goes to Alexei.
Yeah, first round, Alexei. Yo, they caught those. I cannot believe they caught those.
They did.
That is the good shit.
Nice catch.
Look at this back and forth. Supersonico, has he played this before? So he's looking mad solid. Ooh!
Nice. First one goes to
Still kind of lucky. Could have been a big fight.
Ooh, easy.
Up hit! Up hit!
Catch it.
Supersonico, it hits it. But it doesn't. Not the right angle. Oh my God, he is dashing all over the place. Dashing. Yo, nice catch. Lob? Yeah, I saw it. I saw it.
He baited it though.
I saw it.
Oh,
Ooh, that was a quick. Yeah.
nice. The bumper.
You're not catching that unless you know.
And right back with the bumper.
6-6. No bump. Bump. That's when you think it's gonna go straight up. Nah. Bump again.
And again.
He thinks it's gonna go straight up, but nah.
The bumper's favoring Alexei in this match.
All right, let's see. Will we see a stage change from Supersonic? Maybe.
So. Go with the
Oh, he wants the beach stage. He
Let's
wants,
go with the boring stage.
yeah, he wants missionary stage.
Yeah.
The regular shit.
He wants the German stage.
Yeah. Cause it's fair.
Yeah,
you know, it's balanced.
it's like training stage.
In SF4 or something. It's like, oh God, please.
At least you got some paint over there.
Yeah, yeah. At least this looks good. Unlike a training stage.
It's a really small stage.
Yeah, it's very small. So your reaction is gonna be on point. Energy up. What?
Catch it.
Guess he mistimed his button press. Uh-oh. Energy charges. Oh, he tried to take him out again. This time he caught it. Supersonico really favoring that down left corner. 8. Yeah, the ball is gonna go back and forth really fast here because it's a small stage. Oh, wow,
nice.
still got it. Lobs.
I didn't get the fire.
8. Wow, that was a super late catch. Tiro vortice. Ooh, right back at you. Nope. Hey, oh my God. That could have been a 5.
What? You already said it.
Yo, hold that.
Yo, a 5 though?
Can I get a 5? I'm telling ya.
Yo. The commentators are cursed last.
Give me a 10. That's not even that's not even a thing. Nah, no 5. Don't be a 3. Oh my goodness.
And he goes straight to the 5.
Big single. Wow. Okay, that was good. He saw it just in time. Ball is so fast now. Ball is so fast. Or frisbee, I should say. Whatever it is.
Response for Alexei? This match.
Yeah, he takes the lead. Oh,
5. How is
you
that
don't-
5?
Because the game said so. Lob? Yeah, he saw it. He was too close. I mean, he needed the space. Oh no. Okay, one more mistake. You cannot afford any more mistakes. Nope.
No, and that was it. Alexei takes the whole match.
2-1. Another close game though.
Took revenge for his brother.
We're sitting right now, commentating with me.
It's me.
All right, we'll find out what we got next on stream.
So I was.
This soundtrack is godlike.
This game is gone.
This game is godlike. You right.
Submit results. And Alexei.
Yeah, we got the bracket all fixed up.
I think Alexei goes to top 8.
Oh, already? How many players were?
I think like 16 or some.
16? Oh, that's not bad.
Some more.
For Windjammers, that's not bad.
Yeah, that's really good.
For Windjammers, that's actually decent.
So what do we got next? We have some Super Niggy Sufura, we have Yoshi, Reanimator, Chris, Blue Link.
Yeah, I was surprised by Yoshi actually. Yo, my boy Adrian won Odin too. Good stuff from my man.
Yeah, against Actarus. Actarus is someone that doesn't play Windjammers.
Well, neither does Adrian.
Maybe does Adrian?
To be fair,
the bestest.
those are the fairest matches.
I think I have to play though. I have to play Yam Yam.
Are you gonna play Yam Yam?
I'm gonna play
Shout out to the boy Yam Yam.
Okay. It's actually gonna have a pause right here because there are some announcements.
Oh, we're gonna take a quick break?
Yeah. Can we change the scene to?
I believe so.
Do you know how to do that?
Okay, watch out, don't say it. Okay.
Oh.
No, what is that smash?
The only one that slash is very good because if you do anything like non-negative attack or
Okay, one more. Yes! He is dead! He said no, so you are going into the abyss!
run of rage, but
Okay, so Stuart is looking. Well, oh! He said you're gonna be right here. Oh, he's teabagging. Oh, teabagger!
picked up the right moment to get off the ledge and not a little bit down yet and spin over the side.
Ooh!
Another one! Oh! sense for things like a bit of a charged up smash or maybe a back air at the edge. But he's trying to get it too much!
Anzo doing the right thing here, getting rid of Luma exactly like he should be in this matchup.
I mean, I'm not sure if Luma was standing right there threatening his face. Oh!
Is it gonna be time to
verhaspelt man sich regelmäßig.
Das stimmt. Vor allem bei sehr vielen Charakteren ist das auch der Fall.
Oh, nice Anti-Hop. Ein Grab wäre vielleicht die bessere Option gewesen, aber trotzdem F-Tilt. Zumindest auch eine gute Option und Tarek.
Oh.
Nein. Aber Tarek, vielleicht hast du es gerade in der Player-Cam gesehen, er hat so eine Bewegung gemacht auf dem Motto, ich muss jetzt ruhig bleiben, ich darf mich dafür nicht shaken lassen und genau deswegen zieht er auch den Stock, gibt Trax einen Taunt. Und ich glaube, Tarek ist wirklich ein bisschen genervt von dem, was Trax da die ganze Zeit macht, teilweise.
Ja, Tarek ist halt, wie gesagt, noch relativ jung und junge Spieler lassen sich manchmal kommt auf die Person und manchmal öfter tilten als sonst.
Also ich kann mir gut vorstellen, dass so einige Situationen vom letzten Gaming mal ein bisschen getiltet haben.
Vor allem wie Snake.
Ja. Oh nein! Oh mein Gott, nein! Also wir haben heute alle was gelernt. Oh mein Gott. Snake 50, wenn er smasht. Ja, noch ein bisschen so, ein bisschen runter, ja. Und deswegen hilft uns Ninjas halt nicht. I am done.
Hört man zuständig auf sowas?
Ja, jetzt vorbei.
Und Track macht den einfach ausgefallen.
Ja, Track.
Oh mein Gott,
This was Claudi's dominant. Anyways, switch to
What did you want to say?
He's drinking vanilla Coke. What the? No, you're not. This should be quarantined. Oh my god.
Is that F-Smash?
Yeah, Uber Eats, boys. Uber Eats.
Can I get...
No, you cannot.
Why?
Vanilla Coke should be illegal. And please do. It should be quarantined. This should not be allowed in the venue.
Why? Because people drink all the drink.
Listen, you could drink literal semen in a tournament. I could not care less.
Literal fucking semen.
I like your courage, no? Just to like show people So the stream manager.
Well, by the way, I just want to say that I was the stream manager at that place, at that event. So, just for the protocol, they are making fun of me and not some random stranger, okay? Yeah, I hate my life too. Yeah, back to the video.
No. It was actually very, very biased and was we needed to win. Oh, never mind. Oh!
Is it 1-0 or 1-1?
It's 1-0, I was joking. He just wasn't aware of
He's just a bit retarded.
Okay, we do not call people like that on this stream.
Sorry. He's just a bit...
He's different.
He's 5 points away from being legally retarded.
I'm not condoning these messages here, propagated by my co-commentator.
Come on, it was a nice way of saying that he's stupid.
It was a meaner way to say stupid. Just call him stupid, straight up. I'd rather be stupid. No, okay, no. That's not what I meant. I have no problem with disability. No, what I meant is I'd rather be stupid and people call me stupid than being referred as that word.
You jinxed yourself so hard!
I'm gonna get cancelled in 2 years when I release my hit SoundCloud tape.
take it low. I think it's alright with. Yeah. We back. So we have to adjust. Left side player. That's player 1 is Super Nilly. Elf Super Nilly. Nice. And on the other side we have the boy Surf. Second pose. Okay. Should be okay. So normally Super Nilly goes with Pierre.
Yeah, we see that, and Sulfura with Mita.
He always plays the rifles.
Just wait till the smashes hit.
Yeah. So we're gonna be a little bit quiet.
Strong start for Super Nilly now. When they got the bump stage.
The other bump stage.
That's the first time I see it.
They're hitting the bumpers hard though.
Not five.
And I play.
Oh, that was trick.
The last minute.
Just like
last
that.
minute.
Just like that. Super Nilly, 1 round in advance.
Energia. We got it. Ooh, we blocked it. Got it. Oh, the bumper blocked it. Bumper didn't block it. Ooh, that was nice. Nice from Sufura. So Sufura showing some signs of life. It was blocked that.
In Japanese.
That was straight to the 5 and that's 5-6. Closing the gap. Reactions.
Okay.
Oh, I think he wants to power up. Oh, nice.
Paparino said yes.
Yeah,
Ooh, nice block. Always go for the same side though. Yeah. Oh, nice. It was a nice exchange. Favor of Super Nilly. Oh, the bumpers.
Slowly but surely, it reached its destination.
Nice. Nice reactions from both players.
Oh, plays bumpers.
That's your own name. They always have long sets.
It's like Satcher, man. Always long sets between Super Nilly and Sus. No. Oh, we wanted to go to the 5 though. Okay. Straight! Straight!
And then high again, there's 5 points. It's gotta.
The player that doesn't play a lot of the but plays a lot of reaction. Why would I say it? Why would I say it?
With announcement from the status. Okay.
Only 5.
Come on. That was 5. We didn't block.
That was obvious.
Nice exchange. I like that.
Nice. First match goes to Sulfura.
Pretty convincing. Had a pretty hard start.
Why didn't he play like that against Germans though?
Yo, it still hurts. Shout out to the Germans.
Shout out to German.
I beat you 5 matches straight.
Yeah, they beat us like 10. All out 10 contenders.
I did one. But yeah, it's not about ooh.
Oh.
It's qualifying.
You want to change? No? Nice. 3 points. First points for Sulfura. Oh, the bomber. Change direction. Nice. Ooh, straight 5, so 1 point doesn't for Lily. Doesn't for answers back. Oh, I want to do last Turkish trap, you lose the father. Oh. Nice. Why? Always close matches between these two. Straight. Oh, and the bomber does it. So match point for Sufura. Supernity has to wake up. He's capable of coming your power. Yes, well, yeah. Against the Germans, he played the best match ever. Oh, nice answer from Supernity. Bullseye. That's so a nearly thing. When you think this is down, he comes back with a 5. Oh, and the bomb said no. Playing with bombers. 9, that's great. Oh, okay. Bomber did nice. Bomber does again. Oh, whoa, nice. Kind of lucky there. Oh, not getting the power-ups. I don't want to say it. No one plays with power-ups. Check out this 5. 5 has been called out. Santos pulling out 5. 5 minus 2. Score is doing great, and he seals it. So far seals it. Pretty coincidentally. And Lily goes to the other side. So we'll see Lily again. Next match. No props. Yoshi and Reanimate are already playing. Chris won against Link. So flag. How's Wolf? Should we do some losers? I think losers some losers are already playing, right? Yeah. We have Link against this boy. Yeah, so they're already playing. Which game do we have? Yeah. Okay, we have to go. You can show afterwards. Right, we go with the losers now. We have Super Lily Raw. Reanimator Kevin is free. Should I go back then? Reanimator lost to Yoshi. Reanimator lost to Yoshi. Damn, Yoshi. I'd say Reanimator Kevin is free on stage, man. Reanimator Kevin is free, yeah? We'll get the guys. Reanimator. We need the boy. Door precies zo. Ja, geef us een doel, is het laatst niet. Dat was oké. Dat is mijn laatste push. Die moment al. Roberto moet zijn match opspelen. Nee, Roberto moet zijn match opspelen. Dus dat zijn nou iets losers.
Yeah. What we got coming up next?
We have Reanimator and Kevin is free.
Reanimator and Kevin is free. On stream?
On stream, yeah.
On stream.
I thought Kevin wasn't on stream, so...
Yo, Reanimator! Reanimator! And Kevin is free. Oh, there he comes. Ah, okay, they're getting this sorted out. They heard it.
My brother must play against Tom.
Super Nil?
Yeah.
Good shit. You know that's gonna be a good ass match.
Yeah. Yeah, it's already been reserved.
Oh, they're playing off stream though.
Reanimator?
I think so.
Well, I'd say then Super Nil won. My brother gotta handle it. I don't know why.
Super Nil and Rod then. Rod?
What's up?
Rod?
Give us an update, man.
We need someone on stream. Where they at though?
Take some time.
Oh, there comes Rad.
Really? I mean, it might be on top. But the other is on stream, yeah.
Okay, there's someone that Rihanna is playing off stream.
Yeah. Mike?
Where's Super Nelly at?
Because hier is het volgens bij van Alex. Die jongen schaat er niet. Hey, boom.
Super Nelly, where you at?
Look op een high aspect. Dat is zwart worden.
Yeah, I don't see him.
That's the only match we can. Or we show Yoshi versus Chris.
Or Yoshi versus Chris.
Sorry. We got Tom's parents, but we don't have Tom.
Yeah, where's Tom? Where's Henry? Even his parents are looking for him.
Damn. Call the police.
Tom straight from the underground.
Yeah, Chris.
Alright, whatever. Let's call up Chris Vanek
That's Chris Vanek.
and Yoshi on stream. Chris Vanek and Yoshi, please.
So that's winners.
Chris Vanek and Yoshi.
Yeah.
Or are they playing already?
Are they playing already?
I don't know. I'm asking.
No. That's winners semifinals, right? That's actually winners semifinals.
Oh, really? The semis?
Yeah.
We got Chris. Where Yoshi at? Yoshi! He said he's coming. But he better.
Okay. Let's do this. No semifinals. Oh. There he is.
Finally! Where he at? There he at.
Hallo.
So what do you got?
Oh, we gotta change names.
Chris Vanek?
Yeah, on the left. On the left, Chris Vanek.
On the right side.
And we got the boy Yoshi.
Get ready.
Oh, Yoshi's still sticking with the Espanol. Woo, that's a quick 3. Oh, watch this front flip. Oh, straight in the sinker. Oh, he said, fuck those bumpers. You see, bumpers giveth, and they taketh away. Hey. Oh, nice catch. Oh, no super shot? Yeah, he went for that rainbow shot. Why you hugging the bumpers? Hey, look at the catches. Oh, bumper, wrong angle. Hey, with the big cinco.
Max point.
Yeah, max it out. That was a quick first round, yo.
Yeah.
Chris Vanek, not wasting any time. Yoshi fires back. bumper. Eesh. Okay, Yoshi.
With the big lead now. 1-5 to the seal of the deal.
Yeah, but I mean, it's Windjammers. It's Windjammers. Watch this 5 though.
Nice serve.
Oh, no block. Oh, catch. Okay, let me see. Oh, he got those. Ooh, 8-8.
8-8.
88. Aye.
Okay.
Oh, he needs whatever. Even a drop will do. Aye! But hold this 5. Hold this 5. Yeah. Left side score. He wants the immediate rematch. He does not care about bumpers or anything. Do it for Spain!
Get ready.
So whoever wins this goes to win the final.
Yup.
Wait.
Oh my goodness! Oh my good. Yo. Why are you making it so close? Ooh, nice catch. I was not expecting to catch that. Good talk. Ooh, and the big single. Anything will do it. Ah! This game has no mercy.
Give it a 5.
Oh, when a 5 finger say to the face.
Windjammer.
Charlie Murphy! Okay, Yoshi showing some, showing some signs of life. Jordi. España. Oof. Oh, in the back of the head. Oh, and he drops it. And now you gotta pick it up. Oh, he almost got faked out by that. Almost.
The slow 5s are the one that do it.
Yeah. You don't expect him to be slow, that's the thing. He'll get pushed.
And now,
Yes. Yeah, big lead. Oh, wrong angle. I mean, you said it, it's done. Aye! Alright, set count 1-1.
So match point for Chris Van.
Yeah, match point. Another one of those and it's done. Another. Okay, I like that option, but
Right back at you.
Chris got those catches.
Got those.
Ooh, tiro supersonico.
Lightning blade.
Ooh! Right back at you, yo. The catch.
Very good. Counter. Vita's.
Yeah, it's never super clear where it's gonna go. Aye. Right, Yoshi taking the lead, slightly. I mean,
5 points somehow. Windjammers decide.
yeah, Windjammers decides. Okay.
Now
It's not impossible. Nothing's impossible right now. Anything will do it. Oh, hey! Catches. Hey! Ooh, with the big 5! Yo, 1-1!
Yoshi's still alive.
Yoshi don't give up. That is one for the Espanol.
So 1-1 here. Winner semifinals. Windjammers Tournament. GamingCafé.
Oh, they're going for the clay.
Oh, clay.
Yeah, Chris going for the clay. The close bumpers.
Maybe to claim.
Yeah, I mean, just get out of here.
I had to.
Alright, so this stage is ultra tricky because those bumpers so close by each other. Ooh!
I thought he had it.
It slipped through the cracks of her hand. What? How do you catch that? Sometimes you, like the most obvious frisbees you don't catch, and like the most impossible ones.
It's Windjammers, man.
It is Windjammers. Yeah, that was
equalizing.
Yes, he slid right past that. Hey!
That was tricky too.
It's bumpers. Bumpers is fair.
Bumpy.
Oh my goodness, with the max score.
Now it's Yoshi.
Yeah, it's Yoshi on match point actually. Oh, he brought it all the way back.
Bring it back.
Wow, he went straight for that 5.
That was still a 5.
Down the middle.
Oh, get faked out.
Nice.
Le bumper.
has to do something.
Oh my god, yeah, that was not expecting that straight
Get a
shot.
5 now from Yoshi's. Otherwise, he's
Oh, heat though. Yo, that was good. Good retaliation.
That was good.
Rainbow shots.
Oh, Yoshi now.
Yes. Ooh. Okay, anything will do it. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. 1 point.
No mistakes. Anyone makes a get faked. Get faked.
Don't drop the soap.
Get faked. And now you gotta pick up the soap.
What? It's still 1-1, right?
Nah.
Who's got it? No, it's still 1-1.
Oh, it's not over?
It's not
Oh, it's not over.
No, it's not over.
Oh, it's not over. I thought it was over.
What's the reaction?
Oh, but if he keeps that up, it's gonna be over.
Yeah.
Good shit. Oh my god, yo, Chris is starting to run away with it. Oh, get faked. Another 3 and it's done. Uh-oh, nice catch.
I said it.
Oh my goodness. Watch this forward. Watch this 5. Oh, nah, the angle. The angle was no good.
Still alive. Trying to.
Oh my god! Yo, Yoshi's fight! He does not want to go home!
Oh, Mama said no.
There it is!
14-0.
Wow, what a smack!
It was very entertaining.
Yeah, that was a good match. That was a good match. Good match.
Chris Vanek with the dropping the soap tag.
Yeah. Make him pick up the soap tag.
Yoshi's still in it.
Yeah, Yoshi's in winners. Well, he was in winners.
He was in winners. 2-1, yeah.
2-1 for Chris. I want to see.
I think now we can continue with the losers, right?
We should be able to continue. Unless Super Nearly hasn't showed up yet.
Super Nearly, no, Rod against Super Nearly. We have Super Sonico versus Rod.
Oh, okay.
We can do them on stream.
We're going down on stream?
Yeah, because the.
Yeah, he's got to wait.
He's got to wait, yeah.
So Super Sonico and Rad on stream. Super Sonico and Rad.
Where's my brother?
He's coming, he's right there. Super Sonico also on his way. Please take a seat.
There they are.
Oh, fix your hair. There you go. Fix it. Damn. 30, caralho. Ameaço de estação. Alright, Super Sonico. He played pretty good. He played pretty good when I saw him.
He played against me?
Yeah? How'd he do? How'd he do?
Yeah, he's great.
No, he's good though.
He's got reactions.
Yeah, he do.
And he doesn't get intimidated by bumpers.
Nope. He is one with the bump.
He's one of the good players.
He is one with bump.
But boy, Super Sonico. But on the other side, we have Ra, who's also a good player.
Another Italian mirror match, outside and inside of the game.
Yeah. Well, Italians love Windjammers, man.
Alright, first
Played
thing.
in arcades back in Italy.
Yeah. The only way to do it. Alright, no surprise, of course. They're both going with the Italians.
Get ready.
We're just gonna get the names fixed. Yeah. Yeah, left side is Rad. Right side we got Super Sonico, something Zuzu. He's not gone. Super Sonico. Oh, nice catch! Get ready. Yeah, this is loser side. Ooh, right back at you.
So first set is for Rod.
Ooh, yo, the catches.
Rod's goal is quick. Big red.
Yeah, because he scored a lot. Now Supersonic has a good chance to land a 5. But is he going to? Okay. I guess that's a mix-up. Like you want to go for the 5, but go for the 3 instead. Yo, crowd kind of demolishing right now. Oh, okay. Oh, he likes the big stages. Okay.
I like your lumpy.
Oh, that was a quick first game for Rob.
Yeah, that's true.
Yo, Supersonico was good. You better bring your A game now.
Go back again to Beach. The same decision he made in my match.
Yup. And of course.
No surprise there. Loris Biaggi.
Biaggi.
The favorite out of the Italians.
Because he's Italian.
Because he's Italian.
That's all.
Oh, he speaks Italian.
He could be the worst character in the game.
What if you watch?
Ooh, the rainbow shots.
Nice move. That one.
Oh, okay, the fake out. You try to go for the fake out.
Ooh, we tried it again, but it was delayed.
It's not a bad tactic sometimes.
It's not.
Because they expect the fastball and then you throw it like super slow.
This is the opponent who goes to that.
Ooh, right past. 6-6. Good shots. Oh, energy.
Yeah, there it is.
Will he catch it? Yeah, he catches it. He knows. He knows.
It can sometimes be tricky, right? You think you know and then...
oh my god.
Slowly but surely, and to rock 1 set away.
Man, already? That was a quick one.
That was really quick.
Biaggi was praying. Oh, well, yeah, he did have enough time for super. Oh, he's not going for the super rotantes. Oh, just as I say it. Maybe he heard me. Fastballs. Eee! Kind of unlucky there. Didn't land at a 5, but he'll take it. Any points is good points. And again, the fake out. Still technique. Oh my god, that was very close to the 5 again.
See a comeback from Supersonic who he needs.
He plays better under pressure, I feel. Like last time he was losing and then he brought it all the way back. Oh my god, push him in! He wants that goal. It's mine! Oh, yeah, if he didn't catch that one, that would have been a big 5. Block this one. No, he knows, he knows.
Nice. Supersonico and equalizing the set, but Rod still on match point.
Yeah, still. Let's see, who wants it? Who wants it more? Alright, time for the super. Yeah, that super, he knows.
Yeah, but he tried to go to the wall.
Ooh!
Super rotante.
Those on the other hand, those are hard to block.
Nice.
Wow, that was a 5?
Well, Windjammers decide.
Windjammers has spoken.
1%.
8. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh my god.
Catch.
Get pushed in.
Now.
Go for another super shot. No, he missed it again.
1 point away to equalize the round.
Yeah. Actually. Nice catch. He really needed that too. Right, that doesn't get pushed in this time. Sonico. Oh my goodness, they're going back and forth. Oh my god. Block this one. He blocks it. Right back at you. Oh my god.
Nice.
Yo, out. Charge that shit up. Tries to push him in. No good. Uh-oh, timer becoming a factor now.
Still, now, whoever does the point
wins it.
Except it's a drop.
Yeah, unless it's a 2-point. For Rod, that is. Ooh, rainbow shot. Uh-oh, timer.
Timer.
Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Brought it back. But it's 1-1.
Okay, I see you, Supersonico. I see you, baby.
I think now Rod is gonna change, yeah.
He's gonna go with clay. Nah, he's going with concrete? Okay.
Concrete.
Again, no surprises. They sticking with their character, of course.
You have to. It's a loyalty thing.
Yeah.
There's nothing to do with tears.
I wish I had that.
love to go with the Italian dude.
I wish I had that.
Yeah.
Yeah, these bumpers are tricky because they're very far apart.
I was suicide.
Oh, the angle was bad. Oh, right back at you. Oh my God! These guys are not giving each other an inch. Oh, the angle. If you hit the corners, it's gonna bounce up like. Ooh.
Nice 5.
De cinco.
Cinco de Mayo.
Charge. Aye.
Almost a 5.
Oh, rainbow shots. Oh, he was going straight for that 5. Aye, just as I said it. Oh, the fake out.
Oh, super rotante, but this is right.
Yeah, he hit the corner.
Nice.
Slid right past.
And again, match point.
Oh, match point.
How that works.
Let's see. Maybe Supersonico can answer back. He's proven that he can.
He's proven that over and over again.
Back catch. Right back at you. Right back at you. Another one. Yo, push him in. Wow, yo, bumpers.
And just like that, 8 points.
It's that bumper life. Oh, I thought it was gonna hit.
Nice. That was a nice trajectory.
Yeah. Oh, the corner. Don't hit those corners. Yeah, don't hit those corners. Zip. Give him time to charge up. Oh my God, can he catch it? Yep. With a fake out. Nice. Ooh. Bring him in. Bro, it's not beaten yet. Rainbow shots. Ooh, rainbow shots of his own.
That was a nice work.
Oh wow, pushed it right in. Oh my goodness, both on match point now.
Final round. How else?
Yo, look at Biaggi praying right now. He's like, let me win. Energia. Well, catches it. Yep. Doesn't get pushed in this time. These guys got some reactions. Charge it up, Dragon Ball Z pose. Hey. Who's gonna hit it? Oh my God.
Nice.
That catch was so clutch. Oh, okay. It's a 3. It's a 3. Oh, that's a 5. That's a 5. How do you like those? Damn apples. Enough time to charge up the super.
Guys, that was tricky. That was tricky.
Ooh, right back at you. Ooh, the snake shots. I don't know how he caught that. Doesn't get pushed in. Wow, that bumper life. Wow.
5 again.
Yup. He was smelling it too. Yeah, he hits the corner. Ooh! Okay, so another 3. Any point will do it. And there it is. Yo, Supersonico was good, my man. What is good? That was losers?
That was losers.
Yeah, that was losers. So Rod is out. Oh, he is shaking. Yeah, Supersonico with the 2-1, 2-1. Good stuff. Look at his brother. He's all proud. He's not even looking. He knew he was gonna win.
It's okay. Där kan stå här på sig. Matchspel.
Oh, we got
That's winner side now.
Oh, we get back on winner's side. We got Alexane. Alexane versus. Oh shit.
Fuck Adams.
Alexane versus Sulfura. Are you on player 2 side? Good.
On player 2 side, yeah.
Because I don't want to change it. Is this losers or winners? I already forgot.
It's winners.
It's winners?
It's winners.
Damn.
Top 8.
Winners. Oh shit.
Jag trodde på honom då.
It's top 8?
It's top 8, yeah.
Alexane
versus
Sulfura.
We got the boy Sulfura.
Critical into Zulf.
And the score, Salty Soul.
Zulf.
So actually, when I see that Chris Vanik, he advances to us.
Yup.
Yeah.
Yeah, he won his match on stream against Yoshi.
Yeah, it's true. I missed that.
Yeah, you missed it? You were playing, huh?
I was playing against the Super Nintendo.
Yeah, I see you. It's all good.
So you got Alex the scores, perhaps?
Yeah, but they can't see the top 8, so.
Winners. 0.
0.
0.
It's not gonna stay that way for long, though.
Let's take player 1, it's Ali Robs.
Alright, back to the random
Random
select.
stage, 99, 12, and I know it's gonna go with Luigi. It's Loris, Biaggi.
Yeah, it's Loris.
That's
Damn.
Luigi.
Wow, don't let any Italian hear that. That you fucked up his name.
And Mita on the stadium.
Yeah, with the good super.
Good stage for Mita, I would say.
Yeah, she's fast.
Wow.
Wow.
That shit.
That could have been a 5. I don't know how it wasn't, but it could have been. I mean, her shots are pretty slow, though, compared to Biaggi's. Ooh, right back at you. It's your own super.
Nice.
Throw it. Oh my god, yeah, he was getting he was coming close.
I was dead to 5, though.
I don't know. But Windjammers knows. Yo, she blocked that from the back. Yo, I don't know where Mike is running, but he is running.
Mike is Shifura, by the way.
Yeah. We alternate the names.
First
Alright,
match
first set.
Alexei. Pretty convincingly, pretty easy.
Yeah, 14-3. That was kind of schmack. That was schmack.
Who has to wake up? But look at that 5-point bar.
Yeah, but this is a big stage, and her shots are not that fast.
Ooh,
yeah, that was pretty much guaranteed 5. Pretty much guaranteed. 8. Yeah, she needs those supersonic shots.
First 3 points for Alexei.
Oh my god, yeah, those are fast. Even for a speed character. Biaggi. Okay, back and forth. Nah. So Mike gotta start Sulfura. You gotta start turning it up, my man.
First match goes to Alexei.
Is it still 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 5?
It's still
2 out of 3, huh?
2 out of 3. It's like Yoshi and Chris Vanik still.
That's 3 out of 5. Okay.
And we start winners finals. That's where it's gonna be first to 3.
I see you.
Or best of 5.
Yo, I love those shades, the Brad Hart shades.
The clay.
Oh, the old friend, he's back.
Nice
Bumpa-chan. Ooh, damn, she caught it with her face. And he caught it with his face. Get bumped. Oh, the corners. Don't hit the corners, folks. Don't hit the corners. That is not what you want. That's what you want right there. Nope. Oof!
First points for Sulfura.
I don't know how he caught that.
He went back like that.
Ooh! Push him in.
He went back in time.
Back in time.
8.
But it's even. 6-6. Well, that's power up, no.
But I mean, bumpers. Bumpers are going to change everything. Oh, wow. I'm surprised that wasn't corner. That looked like corner.
Yeah.
Aye. Back of the head.
Oh,
le drope. Now you got to pick it up. You know the rules.
No. Any point.
Yeah, any point for Rad will do it. For Alexei, excuse me. Rad is sitting next to me, actually. Oh, timer. Timer becoming a factor. Fake out. Aye. Alexei on match point now. Or on max set.
Let's do something.
Yeah, he needs to wake up right now. Okay, that's one way to do it. That's one way to do it. Oh, bumper didn't do anything. Will it do that? Nope. Completely missed all the bumpers. Corner. Alright, the equalizer. Good shit. Yeah, her super's nasty. Oh, but he faked him out.
Do you want to reason perhaps the bumpers getting
Yeah. Eliminate the random factor.
Ooh.
That shit went from downtown.
Now Sofura is eating.
Yeah, it's slowly waking up. Let's hope it's not too late. Let's hope it's not too late.
From Alexei, still there.
Hey, oh, the bumper chan.
Oh, we blocked it.
Wow, and he did the correct response.
It was the right decision for Sofura.
Yeah.
It could have been it. This could have been it.
Yeah. Alright, Sofura staying alive. That's what I like to see. Okay, doesn't get faked up with a bumper this time. Oh my goodness.
How did he catch that?
I have no idea. He's the luckiest man alive. Play the lottery tonight.
And he got the first point.
Hey, that could have been bad.
Wow.
It's the corner.
Time bumper chan.
Hey, le 5. You want the spicy or the mayo?
Oh yeah, that super's nasty.
Wow.
That super's nasty.
That's the bumpers.
Oh, hit bumper again.
Yes, get the power up at the last minute.
Oh my god, where was that thing going?
And
no doubt. Okay, any point will do it for Rod now. Any points will do it.
That's what it says.
Yeah, I mean, you know what I mean. For your brother. Your actual brother. And there it is, there it is. Yeah, it's done, it's done. It's over.
But Sofura is still in.
Yeah, that was winners, that was winners. That was winners.
So he's still in losers.
1-3 though. Alexei goes, it's like 2-0?
Yeah, it was 2-1, 2-1. No, it was 2-0, I think.
2-0, yeah.
Yeah, it was 2-0. It was a clean set.
One was in the set.
Yeah, exactly.
So the winners finals is Alexei versus Chris Vanek. But I think we're also gonna go with some
losers.
We have Yoshi versus Supersonico.
Yoshi! Will we play on stream or what?
I don't know. Let's go your football fan.
Yeah, he's still waiting for his opponent. Right?
Yeah. I think the off stream the match map. Yeah. On Yoshi Supersonico.
Alright, we getting the matches organized.
Ja. Ja, we doen ze aber dann off stream. Ja.
Maybe.
Soll der Mike off stream machen? Dan maar. Alright.
Und dann Yoshi on stream oder wie?
Ja, Yoshi Supersonico on stream.
Supersonico, Zuzu! Zuzu!
Dat is goed in iemand leulen en zo.
Supersonico! Yoshi.
What is it? First, it's gonna be Yoshi.
Yeah, Yoshi.
Yosh.
The boy Yosh.
Yosh.
Then we got Zuzu. Zuzu Supersonico, please, on stream! Zuzu Supersonico!
Ah,
Sonicio.
Sonicio. Just delete it. Supersonico is okay, yeah?
Yeah.
And,
but where he at though?
Left side score.
There he is.
Eccolo. Yeah, he actually has to avenge his brother because Yoshi beat his brother.
Yeah, Yoshi knocked him out.
But I want Yoshi to win because he can kick me out, so.
Oh, it's like that?
It's like that.
It's like that?
It's like that.
You got bias?
I got bias.
I like bias. Goddamn wires. Yeah, random select. Gotta put it on random select, please. There you go.
Yoshi plays Jordi Costa.
Yeah, he always plays Costa.
So we got
Spain versus Italy. Yeah.
Spain versus Italy.
Which also doubles as Portugal.
Oh, you got the beach stage. You got the
Yeah, we got the classic. We got missionary stage. Oh wow! Started off with a single. Yeah, nice. Yeah, the Spanish guy is a little slower than Biaggi, I believe.
Hey.
He has more power. Yeah, he has a little more power.
Wrong direction.
Yoshi's not looking good, my man. He's good. Oh, okay. Let me fix my face. Face is fixed.
Don't touch the book while it's talking.
Hey, listo.
Ooh, that was I like that.
Catch that.
I like that. Because his super is not that great either.
It's okay if you have some space.
So yes. But on this stage, it's pretty small. I don't know if it's gonna get the space to do it. Right. Oh my goodness, they're catching some frisbees. They be catching some frisbees. Ooh!
And the first match goes to Yoshi.
Yo, Yoshi! He's on fuego.
Es mío.
It's real. Oh wow. That's not how you want to start off the round.
Every point counts. Especially against Supersonic.
Yeah. Because he's known to bring it back. Ooh, yo, they're catching all of this. Can he catch this one? No.
Didn't catch it.
Energia.
Energia, but
Oh wow, off the wall.
Really tricky. Energia is really tricky. It's really tricky.
Yeah. Yeah, it went off the wall and changed direction. And Yoshi got schmixed.
Yoshi catching nice frisbees though.
Yeah, he has good reactions. I mean, he plays Tetris. You gotta have reactions in that game. What's up? Ooh!
Nice. Goes to the regular super.
That shit went zigzags. Ooh!
5 points?
Yo, hold
Out
up.
of nowhere, Yoshi.
Yeah, not only leading, but oh my goodness!
Winning. So, first match goes to Yoshi.
And this is still a 2 out of 3, I believe. This is losers, right?
Yeah, it's losers.
Alright, they don't decide if they want to.
So I don't think they will change. I don't think they will change stage.
Nah, they went straight to the rematch.
Loves the B stage. Loves to hang on at the beach.
Let's go to this.
Beach.
Oh, catches it, yup.
He catches.
He's pretty consistent at catching those, actually.
Like me, though.
Yeah, unlike me. Oh my god, oh yo.
I
I saw that in a 5. I'm not gonna lie. What? Yo!
Was in the net.
He took it back out. He's a cheater. You ain't cheating, you ain't trying. Ooh, right back at you? Not impressed by the zigzags.
Oh, but the Supersonico.
Yup.
The Spanish Supersonico guy.
In Espanol.
Oh. There's signs of life with Supersonico.
Yeah, it's not, you can never count this guy out because...
Never,
but I mean, yeah, that kind of hurts though. That kind of hurts.
Now he has to...
Alright, let's see. Yeah, he faked him out. He faked him out. He faked him out.
Nice fake out.
Again, Supersonico's fighting back. Oh my goodness. Let's catch it. Yo. Okay, okay. Any point for any player. Pretty much. Zit. Super set.
And just like that, come back from Supersonico.
Alright. First set. I like what I see. Look at him doing the prayer. Catches it, yup. Yeah, they hold the ball. Oh, it's Frisbee, I have to say.
First one goes to Yoshi. He hasn't changed. No risk.
Oh my goodness, what a counter. What a counter. What an answer. Yeah, it doesn't get faked out with the 6-6.
Oh, nice.
Yoshi.
11-0.
Yeah, Yoshi's playing a clean game right now. Anything will lose for him. Actually, anything. Even a drop. Yeah, even a timer. Anything will do it.
Well, you got the power up.
Oh, nice block. 8. Yo. Supersonic is fighting. He does not. Oh, yo. Supersonic is fighting.
First point for Supersonic. He doesn't give up.
Never give up. Yeah, that's not enough time for Super. Yo, how do they catch them out of the net like that?
Ooh, nice block.
Yeah, that's Super trash. Ooh, get faked.
2 points though. 30 seconds on the clock.
Yeah, the timer. Timer.
6. Timer, uppercut.
Timer. Will he lay him out or will he lose? Or will he win? Yoshi can decide it still.
Nice defense from Supersonic though. Doesn't let any fluid in.
Yo, Yoshi plays solid too. What's happening? Yo, timer.
Timer.
Uh-oh.
Nice
Timer. Will he timer? Oh, yeah. Oh, it doesn't matter.
Just like that. It's 1-1.
God damn, that was such a close match.
We set. Just a weak shaft. Wait.
Ooh, so he blocks it. Yo, he got lucky there. That could have been a big 5. Catches it. Put some curve shots on it. A lot of dash. A lot of dash. 8. Ooh.
Nice. Left corner.
Yup.
Oh, the big out.
Rainbow shot.
Sonic.
Another one. Ooh.
1 point for Yoshi.
Yeah, he's on. Is he on set point? I think he's on set point. Match point. Nah, not like that though. Gotta be careful with those dashes. You gotta be careful with those dashes. Uh-oh. Oh, what a choke.
Supersonic will bring it back, make it comments. And lead the whole tournament.
Alright, so 1-1. Yeah, 1-1.
Yoshi versus Supersonic will go. Change of stage.
After a super close match, too.
Nice catch.
Ooh, another nice catch. He's kind of hell strong. Oh, first charge. Right back at you. Energy up. Ooh, he lobs it. Good option. I like it. Creates some space for himself.
Paletico.
Sonic.
You don't like those.
Nice. Back air. First points for Yoshi.
Hey. Yeah, you don't like those.
10 feet.
Yeah.
Sonic.
He needs anything to take the first set. Anything. Well, there you go.
Watch it does it.
That is something.
So now it's Supersonic match point.
Yeah. Reversal. What a big reversal.
Some cheers from
the Yoshi.
He's our tap spirit.
He is a hell of a tap spirit.
Supersonic low.
Nice catch. Oh, another nice catch.
Ooh, big response. What an answer. Oh, okay, I like it. I like the option.
For that.
8. Energia. First one to make a mistake. Who's gonna be? Who's it gonna be? I like the option with the straight shot. Oh my goodness.
Nice from Yoshi.
The curve shot into the 5. Off the one. Oh, nice block. That was a quick block too. Oof. Oh yeah, it was a yeah.
3 points. 3 points.
Shot in this opposite direction. That was smart.
Smash.
Oh, that's be a charge. Oh, right back at you.
Nice.
Right back at you. 1-1. Your final set.
Every match Supersonic was.
Yeah, with Supersonico and Yoshi. That is a good start for Sonico. That is a pretty good start. Strong start. With the back of the head. Can't block with your neck. That shot. Uh-oh. Charge? Goes for the regular super.
Nice catch.
Ooh, nice. Okay, the response. He'll take those. Oh, dashed in the wrong direction.
Advantage for Yoshi now.
Don't choke it up like that. Rainbow shot. Wow, he caught it on the way back. But check this out. Oh my goodness, it was going for it.
So 1 goal for Yoshi.
Yup. Nice block. Catches it. Yoshi, he wants it. You know he wants it. So the Supersonico. 8. Ooh, nice catch. Ooh!
That's it.
And that is it, baby.
Supersonic was easy because the last 5 points was nice.
2-1 for Supersonico. Very entertaining match. I like it.
Really entertaining Yoshi and Supersonico. They showed a really nice match on Windjammers.
Yeah, that was a good ass set. Me gusta.
It was a really nice set. Yep. Mike is the next actually.
Oh, he's next? Oh, we got Sulf?
Yeah. Because Yoshi and Supersonic with the damage.
We got Sulf coming up next.
We got Sulf. Sulf versus Supersonic, so Supersonic don't go anywhere.
Yeah, Supersonic, come back, baby.
Supersonic. Oh my god.
I mean, y'all decide.
But this one. Winners. Should we do winners finals first? There we go. With winners final.
Winners finals then.
So
Chris Vanek.
Alexei versus Chris Vanek.
Chris Vanek.
Supersonic was the... Let's try. Ah. Shit. Supersonic was 2.
Alright, we got winners finals.
So who's on player 1? I think it's Chris Vanek. So
the winner of this will be waiting in grand finals, huh?
Yeah. So we got Chris. Space, no? Yeah. Vanek. Chris Vanek. And we got the right side player.
We got Ericsson, your brother.
I'm gonna be biased as shit.
Of course. I'd be surprised if you didn't.
Winners finals. It's winners finals.
Yeah, it's winners finals. We know it's winners finals.
I mean, we actually have to do the overlays again because we fucked it up.
It's all good.
So it's first to 3.
Yeah, 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5.
Best of 5.
3 out of 5. Yeah, 3 out of 5.
First to 50.
First to 10 money match. What's good?
So I think we're gonna see Mita versus Royce. No,
we got close.
Get ready.
Why everybody got those sick ass shades? Oh yeah, he's got the strong shots. Yeah, they fast.
known for playing those lessons.
Oof.
And not getting this one.
Yeah, he's mad slow. He is strong, but he's mad slow. Yeah, look how slow he walks.
He plays extreme.
Yeah, super fast or super slow or super strong.
Lost lesson. I think he wanted the bumper there.
Yeah, you want to hit those corners. Don't want to hit those corners. Bumper? Yo, those shots so fast. Yeah.
And it works.
Yeah, he's slow. He's mad slow.
He's works against faster.
But those shots though. Okay, move. Oof.
Setup.
That was a nice catch. Oh yeah, get bumped. He got. Yo, that slid off the bumper. Oh, wait, bump it! Oh, the corner. Aye!
Take with Loris Biaggi and it costs him the game or the round.
Yeah, the first set goes to Chris Vanek. That was a clutch ass catch.
It's so tricky.
It always goes back to where it started, pretty much. But if you don't know that, if you don't catch on to that, then it's done. Oof! Went all across the stage. Oof!
That's his first point.
Oh, I was smelling the rotante. He got me mixed.
Oh, nice catch.
Shots fast. Yeah, bumper?
Oh, 5 points for Alexei.
Bumper give us. Okay, yeah, just in time. Oh!
Nice.
Yeah, it's smart staying in the middle. It's smart.
Oh, it was right.
Yeah, that cross-section shot. Ooh, with the rainbow. Eesh. Yup, there it is. You called it. Alexander with a big lead right now. So 1-5. Oh, Oh my goodness, 1-1.
I think Chris Manning expected the lob.
Yeah, I think he was looking for the lob. I guess Alex ain't smelled it. He was smelling.
Lob.
Oh, again.
Catches it somehow. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Again, it always goes where it started. Unlike yeah.
It was the bomb.
Yeah, he got boomed. Oh, okay, cross section. Misses all the bumpers, but that was the plan, I guess.
Again, lob.
Not enough time to charge it up correctly. Oh my god, that was so fast! Oh, nice. Alright. He managed, yeah, he managed. Bumper, straight into his arms. This game, you gotta study matchup with bumpers.
Okay, 5 points for Sani. Nice to Lucky.
Yeah, he needs to catch all these balls.
Nice catch from Sani.
Uh-oh. Ooh, the rainbow shot!
Supersonic rainbow shot. And we got the first match goes to Alex.
Alright, so right side score.
1.
Yeah, first game.
Just to remind you, it's the first game.
Oh, he's going with the speed character this time.
I go speed time.
Okay, I see you. I mean, he wasn't doing bad with Vessel, to be honest.
Get ready.
Yeah, it changes up the matchup. He does play both, so. Oh my god, yo, the bumpers. Yeah. Oh my god, pushed him into the 5. Disrespect. Oh my god, max score. Yeah, that was, yeah, that's max score right there.
I don't think it's because of Chris Manning, but it's really because of the bumpers.
I mean, you know, bumper. Oh my goodness. Again. Chris has not scored anything yet in this new set. Oh my god.
Oh my god, bumpers. The bumpers are scoring, man.
I mean, you know, bumpers given. It can change at any moment.
Bumpers. Wow, no. Gets blocked.
That was a quick ass block too. Oh my goodness, yo. Oh yeah. Wow. Why? How was that on a corner? Wow, that was yo. Yeah, that was wow. That was super quick. That was kind of gratis. Yo, you gotta wake up now.
Maybe we change to West.
Oh, it sticks with the random select.
It goes to
yeah.
It goes with Stadium. Actually, I think that the Stadium.
It might be better for Vessel. Yeah, I would say so too. I would say so.
He's extremely slow, but he's
blocking this stage, yeah. Eesh. However, a big stage also means the slow guy. Alright, here it is. Oh, blocks it this time, okay. Solid.
When I said it, blocks every time.
Ooh, the wheels!
Nice. He expected it.
Hit him with that Hot Wheel shot.
He scores again.
Well, even the hold shots from Vessel are super fast.
Straight.
Yeah, straight into the corner. Eesh! Rainbow shots! Yeah, already Chris is doing much better with this character. Oh my goodness. Yeah, the fake out. He wanted to hold it. Wow! How did that dash miss that? Nice. Lobs. Ooh, the back of the head!
That's classic.
Not enough time.
12-6. First round goes to Alexei. He is on match point.
Yeah, he wants that grand finals. Chris better do something now. Oh my goodness, just in time. I guess he found the... Oh, yeah, he's slow.
Disadvantages for West at this stage.
But look at that 5 point. Oh, yeah, rocket throw was...
He's alright, but...
I mean, it's points. He needs points, but...
One goal for Alexei.
Oh, okay. Yeah. If it's not allowed, then Alexane wins. However, Chris is coming back though.
Nice catch.
Oh my God! It went across the friggin' stage.
So 3-0 for Alexane.
Yeah, a quick 3-0. Holy shit!
But shout out to Chris Fanning, he played really well.
Yeah, he played well. It was just today the bumpers were not with him.
The bumper stage was really. Wait for some taps.
So Alexane is gonna wait in grand finals.
On winner's side, so the loser has to leave. So for the next match we got Supersonico versus
Supersonico! Supersonico, please!
It's gonna be free. Sulfur tells me it's gonna be free.
Versus Zulf.
It's gonna be free for Sulfur. So he's talking about himself though. So it's not this our boy Supersonico. I mean, Supersonico played a lot of Windjammers. He knows how to play. Sandro. It's gonna be joined by my brother, the commentator. So bye Gabo. So we got on first. So player 2 is gonna be. Spielt solo, wenn du gewinnst, gehst du Chris. Weil das ist das Final. Ich tue das first to 2. Das ist immer best of 3. Aber wenn es halb ist, ist es best of 5. Du musst 3 Matches. Der Gewinner High spielt gegen Alexane. Für Grand Finals. Sorry, sarà il finale. Para tagliata. Oh, Sulf. Sulf made it to lose the semi-finals. Never plays this game. But that's fine. Came farther than me. Super Sonico on the left side. This is of loser semi-finals. We got the boy Sulf. And the score. Right side score. Voila. No. So it's gonna be losers. Loser semi. LSF. Loser semi-final. Shoutouts to the non-existing chat. Ja, ich kann klar. So what do we got? It's still changing. We got some King of Fighters backgrounds. Shoutouts to King of Fighters 14. Yeah, shout out. It's my PlayStation. Angel. The how is he called? Ren, Silver Pola and Cooler. Which is some cool ass Windjammers. Something I think they have to change the. No, I think they have to change the profiles. It's Robs. Yeah, player 1 is Ale Robs, and you can go with player 2, which is Ale Isandro, I think. Versus random 99-12. Nice. So we got, I think we got Mita and Biaggi. A lot of Italians playing this game. Yeah, we see a lot of those. But you know, if the player is Italian, it's 100% guaranteed he's going to go with Biaggi. We have bumpers, stage that I choose to play against Supersonico when they let him off. There's some problems with bumpers.
Oh, Supersonico is a good player, he has reactions. He had a very nice comeback in the last match against Yush. Energia, there he is.
Yeah, it's going to be fucked up. Nice block from Fufura. The bumpers. And he's shaking his head. I had those damn bumpers, but he gets 5 points.
Yeah, 5. Give me 5. Ooh, that was a 5-2. That was a 5-2.
And again, Fufura is not a Windjammers player, but he has some nice reactions. Nice. Put him in the corner. 5 points for Supersonico. Nice catch.
That was a tricky one with the bumpers.
Oh, he drops the soap.
Don't drop the soap, man. You know what happens.
Nice lob. Nice catch. one. Yeah. Comes at home. Okay, safe by the bumper. Timer. Nice. Nice catch. And with a 5. So 5 points. First round goes to Supersonico. Cheers, my man. So Grizzly goes to Sufua. Almost got it. Almost got it. Almost. Supersonico is stacking those points up. Sit still. Nice. Block. He goes with 5, so it's 11-0. Yo might do something. Sufua has to do nothing because it's already over. So, first match goes to Supersonico. The second set was pretty convincing. I can't say for the first one was pretty even, but Sufura has to change the approach, maybe change also the stage. It's not changing. Okay, this deal. What was it, random again? Was it random? Nice catch of Sufura, and he answers back with 3 points. Has to do something. Stay alive. Nice 3 points, it was really quick. Evening it out. Now that was unfortunate. Okay, nice curve. Kinda. Ooh, that was tricky. Again, like 3-3-5. Combination. Supersonico is pretty consistent in the 5s. Nice. And those 5 hurt in Windjammers, as we all know. Energia, there it is. 5 again. 6 match points for Supersonico. And it's first to 2, it's not first to 3. Those are semi-finals. Nice catch. Yep. Back. Oh, there it is. Tricky with the... get it. Nice catch, but gets easy. What's it doing? Wow, nice. There it is, power up. Yes. So tricky. Mita Super is so tricky. Oh, there it is again. Oh, it was a Rotante back. Did that 5 points? Oh, nice, 5 points. This might be some life-changing points for Sufura for making the comeback. It's 8-6. Still possible, but don't count Supersonico out. He's very consistent. Nice catch. Yeah, I knew that. 9-8. 9-8. Supersonico. 1 point away. Ooh, nice. Nice block from Supersonico. And here it is. It was really important to block this one. But it did. And we got Fetish. No. Fetish. Loser semi-finals is best of 3. Semi-finals, so you can sit though. Supersonico. You can stay. You can stay. No, losers finals. So we got our losers finals. Right up. So he's changing position. Losers finals is best of 5. Now it's best of 5. Sonico. It's best of 5. First to 3. Right side. Now it's first to 3. Best of 5. So we got Chris Vanek versus Supersonico. Losers finals. Yeah. Who's that left, man? Losers finals. Between Supersonico and Chris Vanek, aka K-O-N. And whoever wins this is gonna join me, Alexei, in the grand finals. I'm waiting for y'all. Yeah, again, changing. I'm rooting for Ismail for that one. Alerops is the first one. Alerops first. Go with random 99-12. So they got the stadium. So I think we're gonna see some Mita and Gyaji. Doesn't go with Klaus Wessel. In your match, it was better with Klaus Wessel, but I think that his Mita is also really great. It was better Klaus Wessel, but I think it was a bit unfortunate that he got the big stage against me. Yeah. Because Wessel struggles with big stages. But now he has the fastest character. Yeah. Supersonico stacking up. 6-0. At 9-0. Chris has to do something. Well, I want to say that perhaps. Nice! How was that 5 points?
Okay. Bumpers decide. Bumper said no.
And 12-3.
They let it slip. First set goes to Supersonico.
Pretty quick.
But this is just one of many sets.
Don't count Chris Vanek out. No, Windjammers.
Tiro verticale.
He wanted to bait it but didn't catch it.
Yeah.
Nice
Unfortunate.
speed from Chris Vanek.
Energia there.
Nice. Again.
He had it. He almost had it.
Straight. Nice match.
Nice exchange.
Catching everything.
Nice.
Not risky, but again, with
Straight
3 points.
to 3. It's okay. Any points will do.
Ooh,
Slowly but surely.
Nice.
Slowly but surely. The one that hurts the most.
Again. Ooh. This time blocks it. Oh, 3 points.
What a curve.
What happened?
Okay.
Okay.
They are not faced by that, so we just continue.
I can block it. Nice. Well,
And again,
it's 1-1.
equalizing.
He's in there. He knows how to block those.
But look at his goal.
Yeah.
Look at that chunk of red.
He gets
He has
5 points for Sonico, but gets only 3 points.
It's fortunate that he got the 3 because his red bar was too big. So I would be fine with that. But then again, 6-3-4, Supersonico.
Easy one. Getting in.
Ooh, let it slip. He almost had it.
Oh, that was a perfect frame. Nice, Supersonico does it with the Supersonic.
Yeah. First
match goes to Sonic.
best of 5, yeah, it's best of 5 for me. Still got time.
He wants to change.
Random?
Yes,
Okay.
Remember, they got clay. So the bumpers.
He gets with Vessel.
Goes in with Vessel, with bumpers, Vessel, this man.
Could be tricky. Could be tricky. You know, I'm interested to see if Supersonico can react to arcade ball. Nice.
Nice.
Bumper says yes.
Oh, nice with the bumpers. Bumpers are answering his prayers. Not like last time. Oh, blocks it. Rocket Wolf. Gets blocked by the bumpers. That's too much. Run too many times.
Not dash, so this did too much. Could have gotten it. Oof. How did he get that?
Nice. You know, Vessel's frisbees have a lot of power, so. Oh, that was 5 points. Back in the game. Back in the game, baby. Nice.
That was still in it, still in it. Still is a 3. No, when it slipped right over his hand.
Sonico does it first round. It was looking good for Chris Vanek, no?
But it still looks good. I mean, these Windjammers, baby, everything can happen. You know how we do.
Nice.
Nice reaction from both of them.
I wanted to power up first, but he got it.
And he got it.
Catch,
Got it. Disbelief, you still hold on to it.
Make some space. Straight.
Nice.
Rocket Wolf, but gets these 3 points.
I like how both are calculating the trajectory of the bumpers.
Yeah.
Don't let them.
Ooh, that was really
right as I said it. The nest hay. Whatever it is.
Oh, he blocked those.
Nice. No. Rocket Wolf. Unfortunate. But still in the lead for Chris Vanek.
Straight, blocks it. Oh, nice block from Supersonico. Now he can power up the lead.
No, he just went to the left side. He stayed to the right. Get it. Ooh, the bumpers. The timer.
The clock.
Matches against Supersonico are always on the clock, you know. Even my matches.
Now he gets the lead.
Oh, that's a
5
5
points, and it's the second match for Supersonic.
Unfortunate. Those are the 5 that hurts the most. But again, it's first to 2. 2-0 for Supersonic.
Stage. It's random. He gets
Random again.
He gets the second bumper stage. Chris Vanny getting some inspiration from his fans.
Come on, it's Windjammers. I believe in the comeback. I believe.
I mean, we all know Chris Vanny is a good, he's a nice Windjammers player.
No, it was nice. You know, the score can be tricky, but it wasn't free.
He gets 5 points for Supersonic. When we're talking.
Yes.
He says, wow, 5 points.
Strong 5 points from Supersonico. And looking kind of bad for Chris Vanek, but he has the capacity. I believe in my boy. Come on, man. A nice fight, and you're back in the game. And right as I said it, his first set today.
Point for Supersonico. He can win this, and he goes to the grand final. So Chris Vanny has to wake up. Nice block, and
yeah, come on. That's what I like to see.
That's
some 5 backs. Give him back those 5.
Nice catch.
And a 5 bang. You know, give me 5. It takes 2 to slap.
So Supersonico doesn't sleep. No.
Okay.
Nice. That hit 3 points.
He wanted the 5. I saw that. Nice bumper. Catch it. Energia.
Catch it, and now everything can.
No mistake allowed now from Chris Vanek. Oh, you got it. Come on, man.
He gets it.
Right back at you.
Chris Vanek's still alive. He needs some points.
Watch that 5. Watch that 5.
He's at 5 though.
Oof. Come on, man. Could have worked. No,
he drops it. He drops it, and that seals it.
Oh,
that was so
unfortunate, man.
That was so unfortunate.
The frisbee didn't want it. The Windjammers weren't on his side.
So we got 3-0 for Supersonico, and Chris Vanek did.
But still, solid 3rd place for Chris Vanek. Give it up for Chris Vanek, man. He really put his heart out. Thank you.
It was nice. He played really well.
Yeah. So we continue with the winners, with the grand finals. I think we are gonna do a small break. 5-10 minutes. Zeg like Postman, Philip. Lega.
Do some breaks, like 5 minutes.
5-minute breaks.
5-minute break. So everyone can go pee.
Yeah. So we can talk a bit about the tournament.
Yeah, it was a nice tournament, I would say.
I like it. Yeah, no problem, man, no problem.
I think it was a nice tournament because we had some nice competition.
Yeah,
we didn't expect, I would say.
Who is it? Let's say you're football fan.
Let's say football is like 5th.
I'm like legit mad that he's not on stream.
Yeah.
I'm legit mad because I had a very great match against him.
Yeah.
And when I wanted to bring him on stage, he was already playing his match. But it's a bit unfortunate because he was very, very good. But yeah. Sulfura, like a small surprise because I didn't know that he's so good at Windjammers. Last time he played, he was kind of free. Nah, he's standing behind me, so I have to tickle him a bit.
You only catch the hard one. Yeah, that's
yeah,
true.
right.
The easy ones, he's like, I like pass.
Let him slide. Let him slide. 5-minute break. So and don't go anywhere. After the grand finals of Windjammers, we will have Tetris here up on stage. They're already playing some matches, and I think some top 4, top 5 is gonna be streamed here in this Twitch channel.
Voila. So don't go anywhere. We'll be right back for the grand finals of Windjam.
Jam wins.
Grand Final.
Yeah, Grand Finals, all Italian Grand Finals.
Neatly. Grand Final, baby. So we got left side player is Supersonic, so
Yeah.
that's okay.
So that's fine, that's fine.
Right side player is my
Your brother, who's in winners.
Alexei is in winners, so we have to do this. W.
He only needs one set of 3.
He is L. We got left side score. Then lap. Everything alright. We got the girlfriend.
Yeah, the GF, the Grand Finals. Let's go, baby.
Windjammers Grand Finals, baby. Let's go.
We're ready when y'all ready. Alright, so no surprises. Again. It's Italian.
Loris Biaggi versus Loris Biaggi in Italia, Italy versus Italy, spaghetti.
Reggaetoni. Cannelloni.
Orecchiette.
Non fallo. Yo, this is down.
So we got Alexei with the King, Biaggi, and first one goes to Supersonico.
Right back at you. Back and forth. Oh my goodness, they're really going back and forth.
Nice catch.
Supersonico plays his first Windjammers Tournament, and he's in Grand Finals. The talents, right back at you. Oh my goodness!
They're blocking everything.
No one's getting the score. Nobody, except for Supersonico, of course. Energia.
Nice.
Hey, push him in.
Let's get the 5 bonus though.
Nah, the field wasn't wide enough.
And first round goes to Supersonico.
Okay. He has a long climb to do as well. Like winning 3 out of 5 sets in this game is not easy, but it's not impossible.
It's tiring as fuck.
Yeah, it's very tiring. It's exhausting mentally. Yeah.
I was exhausted.
Yeah, I believe it.
Swing jam.
Yeah.
And the free back and forth again, like they repeat the first
Oh my
one.
goodness. Yeah, and the 5 field resets as soon as you score. Wow. He was going for that 5, but the game was like, nah. Oh, there it is.
I think it's 5.
Oh, I didn't get enough charges. The fake out.
Ooh! So that and first match goes to Supersonic.
Okay, I see you. He's trying to reset his bracket.
Not coming from losers, he has to do it. I want some change.
Well, that is how you started. That is a good start. Ooh, Alexei stood up. Something's up. Oh yeah, they discussed it. Yeah, we saw a lot of clay stage today.
Yeah.
Is that the most popular stage?
You can have some setups with Biaggi at the beginning of the...
Okay.
So you can play with bombers.
Character-specific stages. Match up with stages.
Cash.
They bump. Oh, there's the corner. Don't hit those corners.
5 points goes Alexei, so the stage change.
Someone had to disconnect their controller?
It's
corner.
Wow.
It wrapped all around the stage.
You see, that was the setup.
Oh, that's the one. Okay.
Setup.
Okay. The stage pick working out right now, but Supersonic is not going to take it. Ooh! He blocked it with his feet! Yeah. That was too far. Biaggi is not the fastest. Ooh! Get pushed!
Nice response from Alexei, and his first round Alexei at the clay stage.
Yo, look at Biaggi praying. Yeah. That haste.
First one goes to Supersonic. You see setup?
Tres.
Gives you more power.
Does Supersonic know? I don't think he does.
I don't think he does.
But your brother did.
Yeah, I mean... That was a tricky board shit.
Decided by fate. Catch.
Catches the board shit.
Easily.
Straight.
the trap! Oh my goodness, yo, he's catching everything! Yo, no one's getting the score. Ooh!
Found it. Oh, nice catch.
Retaliation? Nope, he catches it. Oh my goodness! Oh my, yo! That was a solid round. Solid round. Oh my goodness. Quick three. Oh my god, the quick three! Any of the players, the three will do.
That is. You said it.
And there it is.
It's 1-1.
1-1 on the set count.
Sonic will respond. Alexei.
Oh my, yo. No, that was a legit shot. So was that.
Again.
I don't know how y'all catch those. You could have caught that one actually.
Was there?
Yeah, that's the thing. Hey.
Oh, nice.
Oh, not enough time for charge, but he didn't need it.
Play with the bomb.
He didn't need it. He needed glove setup. Uh-oh. Okay. Energy up. Oh, hits the corner. Yeah, he hits the corner. Let's see. The angles. Yeah, those angles. Oof. These men know how to catch some frisbees. Uh-oh, energy is dangerous. That was clutch. Uh-oh.
Oh, he blocks it.
Yeah, he did not get faked out. Ooh! The corner. Full charge. Another full charge. Oh my goodness, they haven't scored in like 30 seconds.
And you said it. That's why it's hurt.
Uh-oh. This Supersonico needs to answer back now.
Nice.
Oh, no.
First match goes. The second match goes to Alexei. Got 1-1.
Yeah, 1-1. And Alexei only needs to win one set.
We're gonna go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Alexei needs
No
two matches.
No surprises on the character select. Yo, everybody with epilepsy, close your eyes. Seizures. Ooh, that's a good start for Alexei. That's a heavy start. 8. All right, they're going back to the catches. Doesn't get full charge. He gets the point. He'll take points over charge any day. Oh, the trap! Ooh, sneaks it. Yeah, he sneaks it in there.
Energy up. Nice catch from both.
Oh my goodness! Oh wow! Frisbee! Yo, these men. Oh my god. Alexei. Uh-oh. Again? Yo, what's happening? Is it? Why are you pushing the share button, bro? That's not part of the game. That won't give you like 6 points. He mash? Don't do the mash. Never do the mash. Yo, timer has become a problem.
Nice.
Actually, it's not a problem no more.
The first round goes to Alexei.
With the praying Yaj. Alright, so round start.
Oh,
let's see.
That was unlucky for Sonic.
Yeah, pretty much. I think he had a chance of catching that.
Straight.
Uh-oh. DBZ pose.
Sonico.
Oh my goodness. Oh, yo, he still blocks it.
Nice.
Wow, solid. That was a solid performance.
Pretty perfect.
Solid performance. What?
Nice catch with the, I don't know what.
DBZ. Right back at you? Not impressed though. He was not impressed. Not impressed! Pushes him in.
Now he's impressed.
Yeah, he's pressed. Oh, I like the mix-up from off the wall.
Oh, nice 5 points for Alexei.
Big 5.
Oh, that was really close.
Sonic needs to hold it together now. Oh my goodness.
1 point for Alexei.
Anything will do it for Alexei now. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, nice catch. Oh, go for the trap. Timer's winding down. 25 seconds on the clock.
Supersonic.
Wow!
It's 1-1. Supersonico
Keeping it solid.
fades match point for Alexei.
Yeah. Well, he needed that. Just it's like a mental buff, you know? Oh,
Nice.
yeah.
Alexei still in there.
The fast shots.
He didn't get shoot by it.
Energy at DBC post.
Oh!
Big at 5!
Pretty important 5 points for Supersonic with this round.
Scores 3 more of those, it's done.
Nice.
Wow, I saw that in a 5. I'm not gonna lie. I really thought that was 5. Energy nice catch, right back at you.
3 points again for Alexei.
Yeah, he was not well positioned. Ooh, catches with his neck.
Ooh, nice.
Bringing it back, Alexei. He wants it. Energy. Energy, back and forth, energy. He knows how to catch those though. He got no problems. He knows that super. But how about that shot? Yeah, the dash was off, was not timed correctly. Oh my god.
It's his second match. I heard a return.
Yeah, Supersonic is not happy about that one.
He was not happy because
he is not happy.
He got all the difficult ones and this one was really easy.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess the difficult ones are easy for him. Oh, seizure warning.
They're staying at the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
To the beach.
The original blue frisbee. Oh, he gets pushed. That force push. With the trap. Doesn't fall for it. Catch with the neck. Okay, that's intense first set right here.
Nice 5 points from Supersonico. Wants to deny the smash. Alexei. Nice.
Oh, that was not 5?
But he's in there. Don't count him out.
Never count anyone out in this game. Something happened. Oh, you see? One wrong dash, that's all it takes. Ooh, nice. And now he has the lead. Yo, Alexei. He wants to finish it right now. And I agree. And I agree.
Now he has match point, tournament point.
Tournament point.
For Alexei.
Straight up tournament point. Yeah, with a quick prayer. Ooh, yo, sneaks it. Sneaks it. That shot went in. Oh, so fast. Alright, DDC pulse. Oh, right back at you. Right back at you.
Ooh, 5 points.
Oh my god, yo, Alexei.
So important.
Alexei is trying to finish.
No.
What happened? Who pressed?
I mean.
Who's smashing?
Who's
smashing? Yeah, give him the point.
No, it's okay.
Oh, they're gonna play it out. Okay, they played it out.
They're gonna play it out.
Supersonic, no match.
That was spoken from Alexei.
He was gonna get the point anyway. Hey!
86.
Oh, the trap. Yeah, he went for the slow shot. Not even the lob, just a slow shot.
Nice catch.
Oh, ow! That's what I said. One wrong dash. That's all it takes. Eee! That's it. That is it.
Alexei wins Windjammer.
3-1. Congratulations, Alexei.
I'm happy about it.
Italianos de merda, always.
Hey,
always.
Lui vince.
Vincerò. Vincerò.
I cannot sing for shit.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
But again, applause for Supersonic.
Yeah, big applause. Yeah, big applause for Supersonic.
His first match.
He played well. First tournament and he got second place. That's not bad. That's really not bad.
Also for his brother, Reanimator.
Yeah, Reanimator was in there. Goddamn Italians always in there. Alright, they're going to do the ceremonies.
The pricing ratio.
Shout outs to the one viewer in the stream.
Yeah, we love you.
You get an extra shout out just for you.
It's a birthday.
But in any case, yeah, they're gonna do the ceremonies. They're gonna get their prizes.
And don't go anywhere because we will have some Tetris action.
Oh yeah. If you guys are into Tetris, there's gonna be some Tetris.
Yeah. Tetris.
Shout out.
Actually, it's a London's major shop. How do you say that in?
Oh, it's like a regional?
It's a region.
It's a regional tournament? Alright, good shit. Base. Good shit.
Yeah.
Shout outs to Tetris. If I see anybody making holes, I'm gonna scream. I don't want to see no art pieces.
Okay.
Alright, in any case.
So how are we gonna do that though? We can't stream the ceremony, so I think we're gonna go to the Be Right Back to see.
Alright, be right back.
And then afterwards.
Be right back, stream. Be right back.
Ciao.
you